Hello, I'm just giving you an update on our Potts Point project. So this is a joint venture I'm doing with Sevda, one of our Wonder Women. And so we've had a big day out shopping for kitchens and tiles. And before we head off to go to the shops, we have two key documents that we need before we start, and they are the concept plan and the mood board. So we are fortunate in that we have our architect who we've spent some time with developing our concept. So we don't have full architectural services on this type of project because there's just not the budget for it. However, it is really important to get that floor plan right. There are way too many bad floor plans in this world to be adding to that. And so once we've got that floor plan sorted out, and it is in concept form, it's not in like drafted plans, and we've got a mood board, we have the reference point from which we can start ordering and buying items. So of course we're always walking that balance of getting champagne on a Prosecco budget, and the kitchens can chew up your profit very quickly. In fact, so on this project, I started out with a renovation budget of 109,000, but 30,000 of that was for a specific use that we didn't end up needing, so I've quarantined that off, and so now our budget is 79,000. Now, my first quote on the kitchen was 36,000, so big chunk of my budget, and that wasn't going to work. The supplier that I would normally have used can't do this project prior to Christmas, so we have visited a new supplier who we believe can do the job and can supply before Christmas. So part of the outing was around going to the factory, checking their work and their capacity to be able to fill the project. Then of course, tiles, because we've got our mood board and the concept, so then we're in a position to be able to go and order the tiles as well. We had a lot of fun, picking beautiful marble tiles to really enhance our design. Once again, we need to be careful about our selections, although because we're talking about quite small areas, we can be a little bit more extravagant, but we got both tasks done in the day, and that has set us up for the rest of the project.